Summer and I'm 15 years old. Today was our very first day at the STEM club this term and we were introduced to mobile app development. I learned that a mobile app is basically a software that runs on our smartphones. We also talked about the different processes involved in developing a mobile app, and I learned that apps are made up of different components. Our facilitator also guided us to build a simple app, which was really exciting. At the end of this section, we were given a challenge to think about real-life problems around us that we can solve using a mobile app. Honestly, I'm really excited about how today went and I can't wait for our next section. STEM Girls Rock!